Hello and welcome to Uli's Dev Corner. My name is Uli and this video is about updating NPM packages to the latest version. Why and when we have to update. For instance, we need a new feature, or more likely, we have to update because of a security reason. Every time I run an update, the phrase "never update a running system." That is what we used to say back in the day, as we already happy when a system runs without any issues, or better said, a few issues. Anyway, those times are long gone and now we have to update. Caution, every update of any package or even Node.js can break your whole project, either locally or globally. Updating only Node.js can break all your NPM projects on your system. If you Google how to update NPM packages, you will find different methods as well the NPM docs. And in this video we will try a few methods. First, we download a project from GitHub. Next, maybe we do a backup. What only makes sense when it's already changed and not just downloaded. Then we discover the options in WebStorm. Updating via npm commands. Using other NPM packages for the update. I open already my GitHub page and here I will download Webpack 5 SAS. I click on the code button, then download zip. And when it downloads, I close that one. Then we open the File Explorer. On the first tab we have the download folder. With the default settings of Windows, we just can double click on the zip file to see the content. Now we are selecting everything except the .idea folder and dragging it to the project folder on the second tab. Now we do a right click and choosing Open with WebStorm. After WebStorm opens and loaded the project, we click on the button Run npm install. As we can see, we got the number of packages as well as some issues. For details we can run npm audit and then npm audit fix. With Alt F12 I open the terminal and with CLS I clear the screen. Then I type npm audit and hit enter. Here we get more details about the issues and as well if there is a fix available and links with more details. To fix those issues we can try to run npm audit fix. After that everything should be working fine. So let's test the configuration. With Shift Escape we are closing the terminal. Now we open the package.json file and run the dev configuration. After we are seeing compiled successfully, we are clicking on the localhost link. If we are seeing this page, everything runs fine. For just downloaded project, we basically don't need a backup. But if you're updating your own project, I highly recommend to do a backup. The easiest way is to open the File Explorer with your project. Select everything. And with Ctrl and the left mouse click unselect the Node Modules folder. And then right click and choose Send to Compressed Zip folder. And for the name I just choose 123. I delete it as I don't need it. If you have installed 7-zip you can do the same as before. And get the name of your root folder as a zip file. I will delete that as well. First we close the Run window and stop the dev configuration. Next we are hovering over a number of one of the package. I choose the first one. A modal popping up and here we can see if there is an update available. And we can do that for each packages. And when there is no update link, then there is no update. As well, we get more information about the package, including links with even more info. With Ctrl and left mouse click, we open the package.json file of the package in the Node Modules folder. Here we can see as well the version number of the package. For now we are closing that file. And now we are hovering over the first package again and clicking the update link. As we can see, WebStorm updated the version number in the package.json file. But as it's highlighted, the package is not installed yet. We can right-click and run npm install. But I won't do that yet. Even undo the version number update with Ctrl-Z. Let's open again a package.json file in the Node Modules folder with Ctrl and left mouse click. Then we are closing the project window. We are splitting the package.json file to the right by right-clicking on it so that we can see both files. And then we are closing the file on the left side. Both of the package.json files have the same version number. Now we are opening the terminal with Alt F12. Clear the screen with CLS, right-clicking on the terminal name and splitting it to the right. Again, clear the screen with CLS. On the right terminal we are running npm outdated. And to see it better, we are extending the terminal. By the way, the meaning of the numbers are: the first one is a major update, the second a minor, and the last one are the patches. Here we are seeing the current, the wanted and the latest version. Where my understanding is that the wanted version not updating to the major version, only the minor. And to update the versions, we are running on the left side npm update. In the package.json files, we can see that the one in the Node Modules folder has the new versions number, but the package.json file in the root folder not. By the way, I tried to use the save flag, but it's not working either. As well, when we are hovering over the version number and the module is showing, we see the installed version. And when we are running npm outdated again, we get a list with packages with only major versions, where the current and the wanted version are the same. I guess there are plenty of packages we could use. The one I'm using is npm-check-updates. So first we have to run the package, but this time with the command npx. While npm is a package manager where we can install Node.js packages using the npm command. npx is a tool to execute Node.js packages, and it will be installed in your npm cache folder. In the terminal we are typing npx npm-check-updates. We are typing Y to install it, and we get a list with all the packages with an update. But it looks only in the package.json file in the root directory and not in the Node Modules folder. To update the version number in the package.json file, we have to run npx npm-updates -u. To install the new versions, we have to run npm install. And when we are clicking in the package.json file, we see the update. And now we hit the run npm install button. To confirm, we are running again npm outdated on the right terminal. As we get nothing back, everything is updated. Let's close the terminal and the package.json file from the Node Modules folder and hit the play button to run the dev configuration. After the success message, we scroll up to click the localhost link. If we are seeing the test page, everything is working fine. Here's the link of the package and as well 3 of the most important commands. So that's how we can update our packages. Quite easy, but please keep in mind, you might break your project, so do a backup before an update. To fix a broken project, it's always a good idea to Google error messages and checking the issue page on GitHub. Please consider to subscribe. Hit the like icon and share my video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and watch my other videos.